Sora2 just dropped, and the videos that people are making are absolutely wild. From crazy memes to hilarious Sam Altman clips to generating videos of yourself in ways that you've actually never seen before. This tool is truly on another level. And honestly, the quality is next level too. Sora2 didn't just create stunning visuals, it also generates sound for your videos. Now that's already game changing, and it makes all of the videos just feel so much more realistic. Let me show you some of the wildest videos that we've actually created so far.
This says Bora Bora. I booked Bora Bora. Beach, sun, pineapples.
Sir, it clearly says Sora2. That's the airport code.
Sora2 isn't even a place. It's a typo, right? It's a typo.
I'm afraid it's a real airport in North.
You know, if you double tap on the video, nothing will happen! Nothing happens! Don't do it! Ski!
綺麗。森が夢みたいに息をしてる。
Now you have to admit, that is pretty incredible, right? So guys, in today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to set up Sora2 with N8N so that you can create these insane AI videos on Autopilot. And guys, here's the best part. You can get this entire automation for completely free. See, so I already made this automation for you, and all you literally have to do is go into our link in the description below. Here you can join our free school community. And now guys, once you are on this page, you need to go to the classroom section, and in that section you can find all of the templates that we've already made. So you can find the template that you want, you can click on it, and you can start using it. Here you can see all of the details, and you can find the visual frameworks, and if you scroll just a little bit down, you can see the JSON template with all of the links that you are going to need. So guys, let me just give you a quick little overview of how all of this works, okay? So this workflow, it runs in 5 connected stages, okay? So it begins with a manual trigger, okay? So you're just going to click onto execute workflow in N8N, and the process, it starts. Then your topic ideas and the aspect ratios are passed into the AI video content strategist, which generates a detailed Sora2 prompt with a title, a caption, and a cinematic video description. So you can easily adjust this part, and you can get creative with direction. So think about camera angles, real effects, and even some mood tweaks if you really want it, and this can actually match the outcome that you specifically want. So the system then sends the prompts to Sora2 through Key AI's API, which creates a 10-second HD video with smooth transitions, and the workflow then checks the video status every 30 seconds until it's ready. And then once the video is generated, the video is uploaded to Potato, which handles YouTube's publishing automatically with AI generated titles, captions, and also some hashtags. Okay guys, so now let's go over to the PC, okay? So let's import this automation inside our N8N. Okay, so the first thing that you need to do is download the free template. Then you want to go to your N8N dashboard, and you want to click on create new workflow. And then you want to make sure that you click on the 3 dots right above. So now you can see import from file. And here you want to upload the recently downloaded JSON file. Okay, so now it's important to adjust all of the red nodes into working nodes. Those nodes are also the only nodes that you'll need to adjust by yourself. So the rest is already pre-built, and you don't necessarily have to touch them, and you can actually edit them whenever you want to. You can make them more personal, but for now we're just going to leave them the way they are for the video, okay? So guys, let's start by setting up the Key AI. So this is actually the service that powers Sora2's text to video generation. This is the core of the whole workflow, and without it, no videos can actually get created. So you'll need to configure 2 nodes, the create video and the get video node, and both of which actually requires the Key AI API key. And to get your Key AI API key, you need to go to the following website. It's appearing now on the screen, and you'll need to create an account. So if you haven't already, then please make sure that you do create the account now. And once logged in, you can actually just navigate to the API section by clicking on your profile icon in the top right hand corner, and then you can select the API keys from the drop down menu. So here you'll see a button that says generate new key. So you're just going to click on it, and you're going to copy the key that appears, and it should start with a long alphanumeric string. And then you're going to return to N8N and you're going to paste the API key into the credentials field for both the create video and also the get video nodes. And then guys, please make sure to save each node after adding the key, because this is actually going to ensure that the system can poll for video status updates correctly. And then finally guys, we get on to the exciting part, which is configuring the Blatato. So the service that uploads the AI generated videos to YouTube, this is called Blatato, and this is going to require your Blatato API key and also your YouTube account connection. So first you're going to go to the following website, and then you're going to sign up for an account. So once you are logged in, you're going to navigate to the API key section under your account settings. Then you're going to generate a new API key and you're going to copy it, and it will look kind of like a long random string. So now we are back in N8N and you're going to open the upload to Blatato and the publish to YouTube nodes. So for both, you're going to click on the credentials drop down and select add credentials. Then you're going to paste your Blatato API key and you're going to save it. And then additionally guys, in the publish to YouTube node, you'll see an account ID field, and you're going to replace this with your Blatato account ID, which is found in the Blatato dashboard under connected accounts. And guys, it is super important that before running the workflows, ensure that your YouTube account is connected to your Blatato in the Blatato dashboard. Okay, and then this is going to allow the system to automatically publish the videos to your channel without any manual intervention. So now it's time to move on to testing your automation. So you're going to click on execute workflow in N8N and you're going to watch the system actually working. You're going to basically see it in action. So you're going to start by checking the prompt generation stage, and then you're going to make sure that the video content strategist node outputs are detailed video prompts with a title, a caption, and aspect ratio. And the prompt should include cinematic descriptions, camera movements, and lighting details. And if it does look just a little bit too generic, then that means that the AI might need some better topic inputs. Okay, and then next you're going to move to the video creation. So after the create video nodes run, then you're going to confirm that the response includes a task ID. So this shows that Sora2 is processing your request, and the get video node will then poll the API every 30 seconds. And you should watch the switch node to see if the status actually updates to success. And for YouTube publishing, which is from Blatato, once the video is ready, then the upload to Blatato node will send it to Blatato servers, and you're going to check your Blatato dashboard to confirm the video appears in your media section. And then finally, you're going to verify that the publish to YouTube node successfully posts the videos to your channel with the AI generated title and also the caption. And if it encounters any issues, then here are a few troubleshooting tips, okay? So if the get video node returns failed, then you're gonna double check your key AI API key, and you're gonna make sure that your account has enough credits. If your video uploads to Blatato, but it doesn't publish to YouTube, then reconnect your YouTube account to Blatato's dashboard. And for low quality results, just refine your topic ideas in the edit fields node to give the AI some clearer direction. And there we have it guys, congratulations, you have now fully automated an AI video generation pipeline that turns simple texts into high quality shareable videos, all without manually editing. And guys, this system is going to save you hours per week while consistently producing engaging, viral worthy content. So from here, you can actually customize the workflow further. You can try adjusting the workflow content prompts to focus on specific styles such as satisfying loops, real art, educational visuals, and you can also scale this up by connecting it to a Google Sheet for bulk idea topics. Or you can even integrate additional platforms like TikTok or Instagram. So if you run into any issues or you want to optimize your performance, then join our free school community guys. The link is in the description below, where we share advanced tips, troubleshooting guides, and also new template updates. So now you can go and test your automation, you can refine your prompts, and you can watch your AI generated videos go viral.